across America, Asia, and Africa. Before the countdown, the fireworks, the champagne, and the global celebrations, humanity had a single question. When does the year truly begin? Different cultures answered it in different ways, and that S, why new? Year rays look so different around the world today. Part 1. How America came to celebrate. January. What in the United States and in most Western countries, New Year AS Day comes on January the 1st. But that date wasn't chosen randomly. Its story starts in ancient Rome. The Romans originally celebrated the New Year in March, when spring symbolized new life and the return of warmth. But in 46 BCE, Julius Caesar introduced the Julian calendar, shifting the year's beginning to January 1st. January was named after Janus, the Roman god of beginnings and transitions. Janus had two faces, one looking forward, one looking back. To the Romans, it was the perfect symbol for leaving one year behind and stepping into the next. Centuries later, European nations adopted January 1st under the Gregorian calendar, created in 1582. When Europeans colonized the Americas, they brought this calendar system and its New Year's celebration with them. Today, in the U.S., New Year's Eve means parties, champagne toasts, the Times Square ball drop, and fireworks symbolizing rebirth and good fortune. But Western January word is only one version of a new year. Across Asia and Africa, the dates and the meanings are very different. Part 2. How Asia celebrates the New Year. Asia doesn't cohort have just one new year, because different cultures use different calendars. 1.
Part 3. How Africa celebrates the New Year. Africa is deeply diverse, and New Year's traditions vary widely. 1. Many African countries celebrate January 1. This is due to Western colonial influence and adoption of the Gregorian calendar. Today, fireworks, concerts, church gatherings, and family feasts mark the celebration. Thypt Ethiopia, Enkutatash date, September 11th or 12 in a leap year. Origin: the Ethiopian calendar, which is 7 to 8 years behind the Western calendar. Enkutatash marks both the new year and the end of the rainy season. Families gather, children sing door to door, and the day is filled with feasting and church ceremonies. 3. North Africa, Amazigh, Berber, New Year, Yenayir date, January 12 to 14. Origin: agricultural cycles and ancient North African traditions. It is a celebration of the harvest, abundance, and seasonal renewal. 1st Egypt, ancient Egyptian Wepet Rempet date, based on the Nile's flooding cycle in ancient Egypt. The new year began when the star Sirius rose and the Nile floods returned to nourish the land.
Beyond Africa, the world's New Year's celebrations are just as rich and varied. In many parts of Asia, the year begins with the Lunar New Year. It's a time for family reunions, lion dances in the streets, and the giving of red envelopes, symbolizing good luck and prosperity. In Thailand, the New Year, or Songkran, is a giant water fight. Splashing water symbolizes washing away the past year's misfortunes and starting fresh and clean. Travel to Spain, and you'll find people eating 12 grapes at the stroke of midnight, one for each chime of the clock, each grape representing a month of good luck in the year ahead. And on the beaches of Brazil, millions dress in white for Réveillon, where they jump over 7 waves while making 7 wishes, a tradition to honor the sea and bring new energy for the coming year. From grapes to waves, from red envelopes to water splashing, each tradition is a unique language. But they all speak of one universal human hope: to leave behind the old and embrace a new beginning filled with promise.